Check this out. Thank you, TaskRaabit. I almost forgot. And we got a pen. Let's try these on. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Andres. I'm a full-time tasker. I became a tasker on July 25th, and until the day of today, I made 171 tasks. So let's talk about TaskRaabit. Can you make a living out of TaskRaabit? Well, this video took a little long. Yes, I know. I've been super busy doing a couple of things. I became a lead, so I was trying to make as much as possible. Then following month, on September, I became Platinum Elite, which it was pretty fast. In 2 months to become Platinum Elite, that means you get money from TaskRaabit, you get 3% extra. And when you become Diamond Elite, which is the next level, you get 8% back extra, or 5%, I will have to double check. But it's been amazing. Also, I emailed TaskRaabit about the IKEA program, which is amazing. I've been making a lot of money with it. And then they called me back. Actually, they emailed me back with, and they actually did an interview. Look. Well, also, my little doggy got sick. Took him to the vet. He's feeling a lot better, but yeah, had me out of my play. Was taking it easy. It didn't even work that much. I also been working with my wife in another different project, which is this. This is for baby company. We working on baby ball, baby nest. So it's been a little epic month for the past 2 months. Been super busy, but I wanted to tell you how much I made my first month. So this is what I did. If you became a tasker, one of the main things that you always think about, what happens if the customer cancels the task and you're like on the same day? Like, oh, my task right now it's 10, your task is at 1 p.m. and then the customer decided to cancel. Well, don't worry about it. You will get paid 1 hour of whatever hourly rate you charge for cancellation. Customer has to pay. But now, I encountered today, this is my second time this happened with IKEA program. The first time I went all the way to the customer, and customer told me on site that he was not ready, that he was waiting for somebody else. Nobody ever contacted me, nobody ever told me. The tax got canceled and I did not get paid. So I was kind of a waste of a day. And today, arrived to the customer, text the lead independent contractor, the lead tasker. When you do it in a team of 2, there's one of you who's going to be the lead. Usually I'm the lead. This time was the other guy. And then he informed me that the customer also canceled the task because they didn't have everything in the house. But everything else has been great. Can't complain. You have super flexibility on your schedule, so I've been able to pick up my kid from school, take him to school. Sometimes when I'm close by my house, I go and eat in my house, so I don't even spend the money in the streets to eat. So it's been amazing. I can't complain about it. I even have a double batch like this, which is pretty cool. It helps you all the time to get more customers. Whoever is looking for the service that you actually provide to the customers, you will be one of the, like me, I'm one of the recommended. So it's pretty good. It's amazing. So stay tuned. I'm uploading a lot more videos. I have a couple of assembling tricks that I want to show you guys. Trying to work on a lot of assemblings. I mean, usually if something takes 2 to 3 hours to do, I usually take half a time, but I do have a lot of tools and everything, but I want to show you all of this. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Like my other videos. There's all the videos. There's all the video. And I'll see you soon. Bye.